Alright guys, so watch this carefully and you will get everything I'm doing. Is very simple. First of all, I've already cut and gummed this cufflink, but I'll show you the measurements I use to cut these cufflinks, and that's the standard for adults. Okay, the measurements for the cufflinks. Okay, as for this length of cufflinks, I use 9.5 because the wrist of the customer is 7.5. The wideness of the cufflinks is 2.5. The wideness is a standard for all adults, 2.5. The length depends on how wide the customer's wrist is. Okay, so I've gone ahead to gum it, and this is the opening for the sleeve. I just piped it. That's very simple to do. I just pipe it and watch carefully how I'm going to stitch this cufflink. The most important thing here is learning how to stitch. You can see I kept it leaving an allowance of ½ inch because when I was gumming, you can see I left ½ inch here as well. The gum, the excess cloth there is ½ inch. So watch carefully how I'm going to stitch it. Okay, very simple and straightforward. So I just made a stitch there of about 1 inch and I stopped. I'm going to continue this side, still placing the cufflinks to be ½ inch extended out the same way I gummed the collar. And the gum I'm using there is collar gum. Okay, it's collar gum I'm using there. Just pay attention and observe carefully how I'm stitching it. That's just ensuring that the allowance is not folded one side, the seam allowance is not folded one side. That's what I'm checking there. So when I get to the end, I'm going to mark 1 inch to the end of the cufflinks, and then I'll make the pleat there. Okay, on that 1 inch, at that 1 inch mark. So you can see what we have. So the next thing now is for us to close the cufflinks. Okay, so just watch carefully how I'm going to close it. So you can see, just observe carefully what I'm doing is quite simple. Okay, so I'm going to stitch on that allowance. Just watch carefully, I'll show you. You can see I'm stitching on the allowance. I'm not stitching on top of the gum, I'm stitching by the side. Okay, you can see how I've turned it in. I'll turn the other side as well. It's a very simple way of making cufflinks, very simple and straightforward. Watch carefully how I'm going to do the final stitch. So as you can see guys, this is the simplest method, okay, of making a cufflinks, of stitching cufflinks. If you enjoy watching this video, please subscribe. If you're learning something from the video, I would appreciate if you can subscribe, like, share on the video. I really appreciate that. Right, so you can see the cufflinks right here. You can see both in and out is looking very clean, very clean. You can see this is the easiest way of making a cufflinks. If you enjoy watching this video guys, please subscribe, like and share the video. I would really appreciate. We got a cufflink right here. You can see how clean it's looking. Like I said before, if you enjoy watching this video, like the video, share, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Welcome to Nat Fashion Hub, the best fashion channel in the world. Thanks for watching.